So I'll kind of start here at the beginning. This is my tinctures
Yes.
and some traditional folk medicine.
Okay.
So this is usnea. We've actually harvested this in North Carolina. My kids know how to identify usnea.
Yes.
It does grow here in Florida, but it's much more abundant in the mountains. And I feel like when you're like in the forest and you're getting usnea from the trees, it's like kind of a little bit cleaner, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
So I use traditional folk medicine techniques to make different medicines for my family and my friends. This is turmeric and black pepper, turmeric from the garden. And then this is some dandelion that I just made. And then, we put it in the medicine droppers.
Yeah.
And usually we just put like a couple drops in like our water in the morning.
Okay.
But, definitely if you are growing medicinal herbs and medicinal plants and you want to learn how to use them medicinally, these are some of my favorite books that I refer to. And again, I'm just doing it in as like folk herbalism, you know what I mean? Because I'm not licensed or anything like that.
Yeah, but you don't need a license.
No, I come from the school of mess around and find out.
Exactly.
And just really kind of being intuitive with it, like learning about the plant, understanding the plant. Maybe you would start with, okay, so this is mother's wort that I grew last fall. You could use mother's wort as a tincture for hormonal imbalances. It's good for like perimenopause.
Period.
Yeah, all that kind of stuff. And it's really great for yoni steam. So you can use this dried herb in tea. It doesn't taste great.
Yeah.
Or you could use it in yoni steam, which is like really beneficial.
Yes.
So I love that to use medicinal herbs for different ways. I also use herbs for teas for enjoyment.
Yes.
So this is the lemongrass tea that I let you guys enjoy.
Oh, you make it in these cute little wreaths.
So if I had to go out, if I get a hankering for some lemongrass tea and I have to go out, you know what I mean? It's just like harder to do it that way.
For sure.
I will get in the mood to be crafty and I'll harvest a bunch of my lemongrass. I'll chop and drop, I'll take some good stalks and I'll chop and drop the rest. And then I'll weave these like little wreaths. They're about 2 to 3 leaves.
Okay.
And you just kind of weave them around your fingers and then set them out to dry. And so I might do this while I'm watching TV at night when the kids are in bed. But basically I'll make enough to like fill a jar. And then this jar might last me, the rest of the year or whatnot. And so when I make my tea, you could use like, 1 or 2 for like 4 cups of water. And it's like delicious. It's easy. And it's like in my pantry, So at night I'm not having to like go out there and now my feet are dirty. I already took a shower. It's raining, whatever the heck. It's just nice to have it on hand.
Yes.
So I've also done the same with my
sorrel.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So,
Roselle is the other name.
Yeah. Well, I think this one is cranberry hibiscus.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. So
that's what's in your bouquet.
Oh, cool. So this is dried cranberry hibiscus for tea. And cranberry hibiscus in the fall, I think, is when they start to flower again. So this is probably coming up on a year old. There's no mold or anything. It still smells really fresh. If you dry them out well, it'll last, for the full year. And then as you see now, the butterfly pea is what's producing. It's going crazy. So it's producing faster than I can consume it. So rather than waste it, I'm going to start the drying process, which every morning I go out, I collect some, I put it on the drying rack to dry.